Today I'm just doing market catch up. I've been watching the charts recently, but I haven't recorded anything necessarily. I just want to catch up with you guys on what Indices and gold is doing. So quickly, last week we took this trade right here, right? We took this trade, and yeah, pretty much we saw, okay, we had an indication, correction, continuation, and I told you guys that price will come to level of support and then or break a downtrend to continue for the continuation. So that's exactly what we did. We took a buy at this support right here, and we had our indication, which is where we should have closed the trade, but I didn't close the trade, and then yeah, obviously got taken out. But just to show you guys, it's pretty simple now. If you guys don't understand what I'm teaching you, you should be understanding what I'm teaching now, because I've been saying the same thing over and over again. After that new indication, I said now we can see that price trended down a bit, right? So we could see from this high to this lower high to this lower high broken recently. So if you took your trade at the break of this or at the retest, even right here, there's a nice support created. Support and resistance created for you. But if you took that trade there and traded the continuation, you'd be in blues. You know what I'm saying? That's 125. That's blues. No drawdown at all. Guys, that's the nice thing about the one with the break of the trend line. There's usually no drawdown, but for here it's a little bit different because obviously they're accumulating liquidity at the support zones. But right here you usually don't get any drawdown. And then after this indication, I saw that now obviously we're gonna have a correction, and yes, price did come retest that, but we can't validate this resistance anymore because it was not respected anymore with this break and this break right here. We saw that this is not respected anymore, right? We had our correction, right? And guys, I keep saying this, don't worry about this trend line, but guys, I keep saying this: if you entered at the break of the trend line, and ended here, this is you'd be in blues right now, right? We broke this high, we broke that high, showing that we're bullish, clearly stating that we're going towards that direction. So yeah, and also during this correction I saw that there was a trend line here on the 4 hour, right? A nice trend line here on the 4 hour, which was pretty simple to see, right? So you could have even entered there, right? And then we can move to the dollar index. As you can see, price is trending down price is trending downwards nicely. Yeah, we're having our indications. So yeah, we could have had a potential head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but we didn't. We ended up breaking below that, and that's a good sign. We had a low here, we had a low there, both of those lows were broken. This is our new indication, and now we can see, now that we're in a downtrend, we can assume the trend, gold is going to trend upwards. Then US30, I think I'll make a separate video on analyzing German 30. So US30 is pretty simple, right? We had this, so obviously after this, we saw that now we are bearish. We had a break right there. We had a retest, and we were trending downwards. As I said to you guys earlier, that if we break this support here, we can look to touch the zone here and later touch these zones here, right? We did end up touching the zone. From there, price reversed heavily. We broke this previous high, and that should have shown you that we are bullish. So with that we're bullish, and now we can start look to take trades. If we go to present time now, let me show you guys. So pretty much I'll just say we have a support as of now, right? And if we do break this low here, if we do close below, we would consider that a new low, because we failed to break this high and we made a low high, and now we're failing to break that high as well, and now we're breaking lows. This is just simple characteristics of a bearish structure. But if you can see a break above this level, right, you can assume price is aiming for these highs. So let me show you what that would look like. So if we break above this level, we would first aim for these highs, right, stops around like this level. You want to see price go to below. So yeah, price will do that, or price will break below here, either retest. And what you'd want to do as a trader is wait for a an indication, because right now we wouldn't know where price is going to go here. It's just, there's too many possibilities, right? So what you would do as a trader is wait for an indication here, right? And then there'll always be a correction, and that's where you enter. Market will always give you opportunities. That's why you need to be patient, right? You can see prices rejecting a bit off here, but you don't want to buy here because this is the clear price is still unclear what it wants to do. Even if it closes above this low, we want it to break there so that we have experience, first of all, less drawdown, and yeah, and it's higher probable trade. Moving on to US 100, we can expect the same thing pretty much as what I said before, right? Pretty much just have a support zone here, right? It's nothing major. We didn't break this low here, we haven't broken the high yet, right? We're just pretty much consolidating, and we can wait for price to either break above here. So break above this level to see what price wants to do, tell us what price wants to do. Otherwise, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Oh yeah, also just to prove something to you guys, I actually do know what's going on. I remember telling you guys that below this level we're gonna start selling and head for the zone. So if you are taking your shorts around about here, alright, and then right here. Otherwise, yeah, that's it, guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Right, it's pretty simple.